Good morning, welcome to CATEX TV. My name is Frank Fortunato. Today is Wednesday, November 6, 2013. If you're listening on the radio and want to watch, go to www.catex.com. Yesterday in Virginia, Democrat Terry McAuliffe was elected governor. In New York City, Democrat Bill de Blasio was elected mayor. And here in New Jersey, Republican Chris Christie won by about 28 percentage points, pretty much all as expected. In China today, a series of devices packed with ball bearings exploded outside of a provincial headquarters of the Communist Party in the province of Jiangxi. The blast caused the injuries to 8 people, as well as at least 1 person dead. According to the police, there were several explosions caused by small explosive devices near the Communist Party Provincial Commission in the city of Typhoon. This is about a 12-story building from the looks of it on the internet. 20 cars parked 100 meters away from the site were destroyed. The police said the accident is suspected to be caused by self-made bombs. That's not an accident, that's terrorism. This comes only a week after the terrorist incident in Tiananmen Square. And also it comes 1 week ahead of a very highly anticipated meeting of top party leaders in Beijing that's going to discuss the broad economic reforms of the future as well as civil reforms. New York-listed insurer Endurance said that the premium from its recent hiring spree is soon going to start to become visible, probably in the next quarterly results. Charman said, "We are already beginning to see the positive impact in the fourth quarter of high-quality premium growth across both insurance and reinsurance." He made the comments in an analyst call yesterday, commenting upon Endurance's profits. In a speech in London yesterday, Pat Ryan, the founder of Aon and now the head of Ryan Specialty Group, said London is still the insurance world's mecca, but the market needs to draw on its history of entrepreneurialism to remain at the center of the global industry. He pointed to people such as John Charman and Stephen Catlin as being examples of the heart of the success of the London market. John Charman, of course, is notorious for his antipathy towards Lloyd's. It was an interesting comment. Ryan also said that the rise of broker-owned facilities is a very good thing and a profound statement about the quality of underwriting in the London market. He said that he acknowledged that they have caused a lot of consternation among underwriters, but on the whole, it does make a very good statement about the London market strength. The fire that were reported last month in China at the microchip factory in Wuxi may in fact have produced insurance and reinsurance claims north of $1.1 billion. It's thought to be the largest single risk in the world this year that has resulted in a claim exceeding the $1 billion Rio Tinto mining claim back in April. The Wuxi facility is owned by the South Korean technology firm SK Hynix. Bermudan reinsurer Renaissance Re is one of the few people who's reporting an increase in the sale of reinsurance. They've increased their gross written premium in its reinsurance book by about 33%. Gross written premium in reinsurance was up to about $143 million, an increase of $35 million from the same quarter last year. They also reported a reinsurance segment profit of about $152 million on underwriting. Lancashire reported a slump in its earnings. Third quarter profit dropped by about 66%, mainly driven by higher claims with the European floods and the German hailstorms generating about $20 million in claims. The French reinsurer Scor, the 4th largest in the world, said that their third quarter profit remained a little bit better than flat. People had been expecting a slight decline, but nevertheless they did generate net income of about $147 million for the quarter. Reinsurers have begun to start to disclose losses stemming from the recent Spanish Supreme Court ruling in favor of cooperativistas who purchased construction surety bonds before their building projects collapsed. You'll recall that Houston Casualty Corporation had a case that pended. To date, the sums are modest, but they do indicate that the losses are partially reinsured. AXIS said that they're looking at about $15 million in losses from its reinsurance business for surety. XL said that it's already taken $6.3 million of reinsurance losses in the quarter as well. The Philippines are getting ready for a big super typhoon. This is Typhoon Haiyan, H-A-Y-A-N. It is still far out in the Pacific, but already has gusts of about 115 miles per hour. It's expected to make landfall at midday Friday on the islands of Leyte and Samar. According to the Filipino authorities, we're aiming for 0 casualties, so we have sent advisories to local disaster agencies to start evacuating people from coastal and low-lying areas, as well as those in landslide-prone areas. That's the news for today. If we have any breaking news, we'll come back and tell you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.